Alright, so you guys are going to create another Google site. This is going to be kind of for AP prep. We'll be bouncing back and forth between new content and old content. Super easy. You just go to googlesites.com/new. I'll have a link on Schooloop. Click create a site. There's going to be a couple things we're going to need to do with this. So once you get here, again, just pretty easy. Just type in your name, and then you're going to call this AP Environmental Science Summaries, like that. And then just click over here on the site name, and then if you can do the same thing, name, last name, comma, first name. So, you know, like that, and then a dash, and then APES Summaries, like so. Okay. And then you're going to need to add in a couple of pieces. But first, you're going to want to go ahead and click the Publish button. And then it's going to give that web address. Go ahead and click Publish. You'll be fine. And then when it says, who can view my site? Click the change here. Click on anyone can find and view. Click Save. And then you can go ahead and click Done. And then just make sure you publish it like that. So once that's taken care of, if you can go over here and click on View Publish Site. And then I'm going to need you to copy this link. And then this is the link that you're going to be sending me. And as you edit your site, this will begin updating. And I'll show you an example of that here. So a couple things that you're going to need. If you can scroll down, first thing you're going to add is a table of contents. And then as you add in headings, it's going to go ahead and fill that in. And for the most part, you're going to be using this template right here. So after you create that, click on this. And then I'll have a link to videos. Basically, they're all going to be Bozeman Science videos. It's just a good review so you don't keep hearing my voice over and over again. You're going to click the little plus button, and you're going to go ahead and add in a YouTube video. So I will provide you with the link. Just paste it in, click the search bar. Like this one's just Environmental Science. Go ahead and click Select. And then for the title, you're going to rename it the name of the video. Like so. And you'll notice up here in the table of contents, it's updating. Now here you're going to watch the video and you're going to give me a summary of it. Again, the length depends on the video, but keep in mind this is to get you ready for the AP exam. So the more detailed you make it, the better. You can resize this if you want, but you don't have to. Like if you need to make it a little bit bigger. But this will be good review before the AP exam to come back, take a look at the video, and see what you had to say about it. So of course, once you're ready, you're going to go ahead and put in your text. Again, it's kind of hard to gauge exactly how long this should be, but I'm guessing something, you know, maybe along the lines of, you know, 1 to 2 paragraphs would probably be okay. I don't want you to rewrite everything that he has verbatim. So just be a little careful, like I said, just not rewriting everything he says. So just some of the important points that he has. Now, this part right here, you are going to copy this and you're going to paste it in a Google form. So that just like other homeworks, there's going to be an 11:30 cutoff time to make sure that the summary was done that night before 11:30, so that so it's not unfair that, you know, some people are like working on it during break or lunch, so that way it's kind of standardized that everybody turns it in at exactly the same time. And so that Google form will look like this. So just, you know, first name, last name, period, summary title, and then basically you just copy and paste your summary in here. If it doesn't include the, you know, the space or whatever, it's totally fine. I can sort it out. And once you're done, you just click submit, and that's it. Basically what I'm going to do though is, like, every, you know, day or every other day, I'm going to give you a link to a video. You'll watch it. Normally, like I said, they're anywhere between 9 to 10 minutes long. You'll summarize it, and what it'll do is, so I'll come back here. If I hit the refresh button on this, what this will allow you to do is it'll allow you to have a nice summary of all the content that you made. And so, you know, just before the AP exam, you can come back and kind of look at some of these videos and see a little something that you wrote about it, just to kind of get you prepped. Here, this will have a really long list, like I said, the table of contents. That way, if you're like, okay, I really need to go back and look at soils, or I really need to go back and look at human population, you can click on that and go take a look at it.